Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this channel once again. Just bringing you updates from the newly constructed Amansea Road in Awka North Local Government area of Anambra State. Okay, if you have been a follower of our videos, we did a video of this road not long ago when the road has not been asphalted, but today we are bringing you this live update. You can see that this road has been asphalted already, and there have already been road signs everywhere on the road. You can see that this road has already been in use. The public and the populace of this town are already enjoying these dividends of democracy. This is what Solution is doing in every part of Anambra State. This current administration is making sure that every part of Anambra State is motorable and accessible, and I highly recommend this administration for what it has been doing in Anambra State. So we are on a cruise ride already. We are cruising down this road, having fun and enjoying this beautiful road in Amansea, and this road leads to Ebenebe, and this is how the road is from Amansea up to Ebenebe. So enjoy this trip with us, and if you have not subscribed to this channel already, please do well to subscribe, comment, share and like this post, and also don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever we post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. These updates will keep coming to you back to back, day in, day out from this channel. So subscribe for more wonderful updates coming your way. We are right in Amansea, in Awka North Local Government area of Anambra State, and this is what the Amansea Road looks like today. Don't you think that the state government is actually doing well in Anambra State? Don't you think that this administration should be recommended for what it is doing in the state? Just drop your comments on the comment section. Drop your thoughts and your ideas and even your advice on the comment section, so we'll all be on the same page together. You can see how beautifully this road looks and how solid it is. Of course, we brought the updates for you when it was not asphalted, and you can see that it's already done. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so very much, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel before you leave. Remain blessed and bye for now.